What's crackalackin', y'all? Happy New Year's Eve, last day of 2018, going to 2019 on a high note. Coming at you with another quick video here. So there's some components or some parts inside the car that, look like this. The brake pedal, this is the emergency brake pedal, and then this is the accelerator pedal. So trying to get as much of this surface rust off as I can. I don't want to put it back in the car like this, and I just don't want to just clean it, and I guess I could paint over it, but with the Port 15 spray. But I thought since I have the parts out, maybe I could do some more to it to kind of help get some of that rust off. So I had heard about this stuff here called KRUD Kutter, and I don't know if you guys have heard of it before. However, there is a really good YouTube link, and I'll try to post that on my video here so you guys can see. So a dude who does like all types of comparisons on like anything and everything you can think of, from like comparing just different rust preventatives to batteries to all kinds of stuff. So and how they compare and stack up next to each other. So this, and actually, what was the other one? I think WD-40 has like a rust preventative solution as well. So however, some of them are converters, and this is actually one that actually not only eats away at the rust, but also helps to protect it as well too. So the results were crazy, y'all. So I mean, he did everything from like, I think he did bolts to different automotive products to a couple other things to see how they would stack up against each other. So great video. So I went ahead and purchased this one right here, and gonna see just how it works. So I'm gonna leave it, just soak it in there for a while, and I'll chime back in when I get the results of the aftermath. All right, stay tuned.
Track.
Alright, what's going on? I got it soaking in the solution now in the 5-gallon bucket. I only got one jug, and I think the jug is about a gallon, and it says you're supposed to mix it with 50-50 water to the solution, especially if you're going to paint it after. It needs to be a little bit more diluted so the paint will, I guess, adhere to the metal a little bit better, is what I'm thinking. But yeah, so it's only about half covered, and then I'll come back and I'll check it here in about 30 to 60 minutes, see how it looks, and then I'll flip it over if I think it looks good. So, but I'll give you guys a comparison, let you guys see what it looks like, and I'm actually curious, really curious to see how well it's gonna work. So anyways, I'll chime back in, but it's soaking right now. Let it soak for about another 30 minutes or to an hour, come back, check it again, and keep you guys updated on it. All right, after about 90 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So this is actually the pedal. If you can see it right here, this top portion here is what it looked like. Just a little surface rust on this, not much, but pretty much just after 90 minutes of soaking, it's all gone. So I couldn't get the whole piece in there, and I didn't want to put the plastic in there. It probably would have been okay, but I didn't want to put the pedal in there too. But you're not going to be able to see that behind that, and I'm going to paint it anyway. So that's pretty much what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. here, again, this is only halfway in, but I'm gonna pull it out. You can see about 90 minutes in and look at it. You can see the upper portion right here. That's what it looked like before, and that's what it looks like now. So I would say this stuff is working pretty good. I'm going to try to put it in here and see if I can lay it more flat and see if that'll work a lot better. So I can try to get whole pieces in there, because I got a couple more pieces that I need to soak. But yeah, y'all, I would say looking pretty dang good. But yeah, man, actually turned out really good. It ate almost every little bit of surface rust. And supposedly it's supposed to protect it for up to a year after it has been soaking in there. And you're just supposed to wash it off. I just use that toothbrush and use just regular kind of detergent, dish soap. But this thing was all covered with surface rust. And this was painted and then didn't even eat away at the paint. So that tells you what the focus is as far as when it soaks in the solution, what's it actually chemically reacting to, and it is the surface rust. So yeah, I even had that plastic piece in there, and it didn't even eat away at that at all. So yeah, y'all, I think it turned out pretty dang good. I'm just gonna let it dry. Gonna stick a heater to it and just let it kind of air dry so no water sets on it, and then just paint it with that Port 15, and then we'll be straight. So these are front bumper brackets. I actually didn't let them set in as long, but you're not gonna see those anyway, since they're gonna be hiding behind the bumper. But these probably only sat in there maybe about 90 minutes. But I just wanted to set them in there shortly. I'm probably not gonna even use these ones anyway, because I have other brackets. So, but I just wanted to throw them in there and kind of see how it turned out. But it ate away pretty much a lot of the surface rust there. If I would have left them in longer, probably would have did a better job. So, but yeah, y'all, that's it. Came out pretty damn good. So I'm happy with it. Again, it's this product right here if you guys are looking after something. KRUD Kutter. They have a few different brands. Also, one main thing too, y'all, this water-based and biodegradable, so a little bit better for the environment. But yep, that's it. Got them done. All right, I'll holler at y'all a little later on. Peace.